Hello everyone. Welcome to Jayasai Kitchen. In this video, we are going to show you how to make oats laddu. Ingredients needed for this preparation are 1 cup of oats, 3/4 cup of seedless dates. First step is to dry roast the oats in a pan on low flame. Mix them well until they turn light brown color. Switch off the flame. Take oats out of the stove and let it cool. Blend the roasted oats and seedless dates in a grinding jar until they are combined well. Pour this mixture in a mixing bowl. Then, take a small portion of this mixture and roll them into a laddu using your palms. Awesome and tasty oats laddu are ready to serve.